Today we talked about dangers of buying a home. Truthfully, it's always dangerous buying a home. We're protecting you from potential hazards, costly mistakes, and other things that could happen during a real estate transaction. We want to make sure that you're not buying something and then finding, tearing apart walls and finding moisture and finding stuff that could be lurking throughout your house.
We see it in, at least half the homes that we sell, I would say. There's some level of it. If you Google it, you'll go down a rabbit hole and you'll be terrified that you're going to die the moment you set foot on North Idaho. It is all over the U.S. There's plenty of states that have it. It's definitely something to pay attention to. It is a real thing. Some people will tell you that it's not, but it is a real thing. Probably 50% of the homes up here that we have inspected, it comes up in those inspections as well, and often needs to be mitigated.
We typically, as agents, push that back on the sellers to mitigate that, because even if they stayed there, they would not want to continue to live in a hazardous environment.
I would rather have you walk away from the home at the beginning than sell you a house that you realize a year later is a giant pile of crap. That's extremely important to us. So you will always get the honest answer out of us, even if we have to eat it ourselves sometimes. That's just the way it is.